Here's an argument. If the table is square, then it has 4 sides. The table doesn't have 4 sides, so the table isn't square. The statement the argument is trying to establish we call the conclusion. The other statements, collectively, we call the premises. The premises are supposed to be reasons for accepting the conclusion as true. Recognizing arguments in a philosophical text can be a bit challenging, but with a little patience, some practice, and a few tips, you can really develop this skill. Here are some things to keep in mind as you look for arguments in philosophical texts. First, look for words such as thus, therefore, so, and hence that announce a conclusion. We call these words conclusion indicators. In this passage, the conclusion is, philosophy is to be studied not for the sake of definite answers to its questions, but rather for the sake of the questions themselves. But remember, a passage containing an argument does not have to include a conclusion indicator word. Second, look for words such as because, since, and for that announce that the author is giving you reasons for adopting a conclusion. We call these words premise indicators. In this passage, the premises are, first, philosophical questions enlarge our conception of what is possible. Second, philosophical questions enrich our intellectual imagination and diminish our dogmatic assurance, which closes the mind against speculation. Third, through the greatness of the universe which philosophy contemplates, the mind is also rendered great and becomes capable of that union with the universe which constitutes the highest good. Again, remember that a passage containing an argument does not have to include any premise indicator words. Once you have recognized the argument in a passage, writing it in premise-conclusion form can help you understand and remember the argument. Writing a report of the argument in paragraph form can also help you learn and remember the argument, and it can help you display how well you understand the argument.